This is the pleasures of having chickens. See what they did to my seeds out here? Got them all tore up. No big deal, these are old seeds. I'm going to get rid of them anyway. Well, we got these blackberries growing up over here. I'm going to clean this on up and see how it turns on out. Plus we got this ditch. You can't probably tell it on video, but there's kind of a ditch running on out to that poplar tree there. Running over here to the fire pit. Let's see what we can do with this mess.
Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. Let them swing hammers and drive pickup trucks. Make them play with their sawmills and such. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. They're always alone 'cause they're driving nails home, 'cause it's something they love. Carpenters ain't easy to love, they're harder to hold. They'd rather build a building than give you diamonds or gold. A big hammer loop on his old faded Levi's, and a place for his tape measure too. If you don't understand him and he don't die young, he'll probably build you something too. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. Let them swing hammers and drive pickup trucks. Make them play with their sawmills and such. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. They're always alone 'cause they're driving nails home, because it's something they love. They're always alone, they're driving nails home, because it's something they love. $1 or $2 Well, the wildfire grew wild on the farm, and we never knew what it was called. Some says a flyer and some says a weed, but I never give it much thought. Well, one day I was out there talking to my brother and reached down for a weed to chew on. Things got fuzzy and things got blurry, and everything was gone. Didn't know what happened, but I knew it beat the heck out of sniffing burlap. Well, I come to, and my brother was there, and he said, "What's wrong with your eyes?" I said, "I don't know, I was chewing on a weed." He said, "Let me give it a try." We spent the rest of that day and most of that night trying to find my brother Bill. Caught up with him about 6 o'clock the next morning, naked, singing on the windmill. Said he flew up there. I had to fly up there and get him down. He's about half crazy. The very next day we picked a bunch of them weeds and we put them in the sun to dry. Then we mashed them up and we chopped them all and we put them in our corncob pipe. Well, smoking the wildwood flyer got to be a habit. We didn't see no harm. We thought it was kind of handy. Take a trip, never leave the farm. Well, all good things got to come to an end. It's the same with the wildwood weed. One day this fella from Washington came by and he spied at it and saw it white as a sheet. Then they dug and they burned and they burned and they dug and they killed all our cute little weeds. And we just smiled and waved as they drove away, sitting there on that sack of seeds. Yeah, y'all come back now here. Now if a woman can't find you handy, or they can't find you good looking like me, just pray that they find you. And that's all I got to say about that. Y'all come back now, you hear?
Hey y'all, it's kind of difficult to set the camera up on the other side of the fire where y'all can view the fire while I'm talking and for y'all to hear me. So you can't have it both ways here, folks, unfortunately. Maybe someday that will happen. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you guys an end result. So I didn't video everything that I've done up here. One thing is I did move the scaffolding over to the other side of the fire pit, clean it up against the walls of the house so I can do some work around there. I did get the bird seed, the garden seeds all cleaned up, the old ones, and the ones that did get spilled on the ground, well, the chickens, they did eat them on up. Dang, free-range chickens tearing up into anything that has seeds or anything. Can't believe it. A portion of my garden got wiped out today too. I don't think I'm going to have much of a garden this year. I'm not even going to fret over it that much. I just got too much on my plate. I'll still keep on tinkering with it, but anything that we're going to can this fall, probably going to have to buy quite a bit of it at the farmer's market, and that's okay. That's just life as it goes. I got other stuff that's burning. You know, when I started making this video, I planned on showing you every step of the way, but this last clip that you just watched, it was, I was getting pretty tired and worn on out, and I forgot to turn on the camera for when I moved the scaffolding on over here in this old chair that was in the house. Got it out here now. It's more comfortable for me to sit in than those folding chairs. Those other folding chairs are pretty good chairs, by the way. Not griping about those, but this is a fairly decent, comfortable chair for me to sit in. Not one for me to sleep in for sure, but it's all right for me, especially out here by the fire. Um, yeah, I got the scaffolding moved over here. I want to build a wood roof over the top of it. I think I'm going to keep it in use over here by the fire for winter use and summer use for shade. In the morning instead of shade. Anyway, I'll show you here. Well, I'll turn some clips on some video, not videos, but some snapshots of the fire and stuff, and that way you can kind of see a little bit more of what it looks like towards the house, somewhat. Some of it's in the dark, but anyway, you'll get an idea. Where I'm going from here is I plan on tearing those 3 windows that you've seen in the wall. Those are going to come on out. Yeah, I'm going to move them around. One portion of that is going to be, the kitchen's going to move to that portion of it, and the end of the trailer over here is going to be a pantry. So I've got a bunch of work, and that's all going to be sided batten board, and that's going to close all the way down so there won't be access underneath the house other than a crawl space access. Keep the chickens out from going underneath there. And they got in the garden today. So yeah, the garden's slowly dwindling. I never did get it completely planted. I'll probably get a few more things planted here and there, but not going to have the garden this year per se, folks. I just got too much on my plate going on, and other issues too that ain't helping none. So it is what it is. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. And just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? And hey, don't forget to hit that like button or dislike button, whichever you prefer, and share the video with a friend. And if you ain't already subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button if you like these videos. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye.